Hello and welcome, it's Michael here, and in this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of adding a subscribe watermark to your YouTube videos. So let's get started. Let's access YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner, then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look to the left-hand menu and click on Customization. Then, choose Branding to access your channel settings. Scroll down until you find the option for Video Watermark. Click on Choose Image to upload your subscribe watermark image. Now, let's customize the settings for your watermark. You can choose when the watermark appears during your videos, at the end, at a custom start time, or throughout the entire video. You can also decide whether viewers can dismiss the watermark by clicking on it. Once you've configured the settings to your preference, don't forget to click Publish to apply the watermark to your videos. To ensure everything looks good, watch one of your videos. Make sure the watermark appears correctly and doesn't interfere with your content. If needed, you can always come back to YouTube Studio to make adjustments. Congratulations! You've successfully added a subscribe watermark to your YouTube videos. Now, every time someone watches your content, they'll be reminded to subscribe to your channel. Thanks for watching! Remember to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, happy YouTubing!